How many S2000s do you see with the wrong offset wheels? The wheels are actually sticking outside the fender. They're protruding to a point they rub the fender, causing the owner to roll the fender, or worse, put the smaller size tire to make it taper to fit inside that fender well. On this S2000, we're going to install the 26-piece hard race bushing kit through the whole car, adjust the coilovers, and then we're going to show you the MITA MS10 wheels in Kaiser Silver, show you the before and after and how they fit the car. This is essentially the same wheel as I have on my car. My car is in bronze. These are Kaiser Silver. But the one thing I wanted to show you here is the packaging. I did a video on the wheels on my car. I think I bought my car wheels 4 years ago, and I was very impressed with them. Not just the finish of them, but the fact they're light and they fit 100%. The fitment is absolutely critical, I think. I don't like to roll fenders on a car, so I want it to fit right. And the fact that these are hub-centric, no spacers, no rings needed. Basically, I'm carrying what I have on my car. I don't want to sell something I don't use or endorse myself. And this is what I use. They do come with wheel locks and the center cap. And they come with a valve stems too. But this car being an 08, we need TPMS sensors. So this is another important part. We have a tire installing shop now that comes right to us, installs the tires on the wheels perfectly, professionally. No worried about scratches now. You remember I've done videos in the past about all these tire guys put the tire on the face and spin it. These guys don't do that. They understand every wheel gets the same attention, and that's what I like. I mean, this is hard-earned money that you guys are shelling out for wheels and tires. You want them put together right. You want to have them installed like you would install them, which is why I use these guys. Show you some side-by-side comparisons of the offset. The T37s were beautiful wheels, just the fitment was not quite right for this car, and now it fits perfect. I'll show you at the end of this video how much clearance we have for brakes. If you're doing aftermarket brakes, Brembo brakes, spoon calipers, stop tight calipers, they all fit with these wheels, and we have these wheels in stock. I always like to take the car for a drive, just make sure everything is settled. So after doing a major suspension change or even a full bushing kit like this, I always recommend you put a few miles on the car and let everything settle. Make sure the height is where you need it. Make sure there's no funny creaks or anything going on before you spend money on the alignment, because the alignment, obviously everything has to be exactly where it needs to be before the alignment, otherwise you end up doing it twice. But look at the clearance here. Go check your wheel, put your hand between the spoke and the caliper. This has the most room of pretty much any of the wheels, and we've installed every caliper on these cars. So this is one of those important things to look at. Tons and tons of clearance, and it's a forged lightweight wheel, no spacers, no rubbing. Absolutely love this thing. So another thing I wanted to show you is the foams. We showed this on our flip car series. The car that we did had 100,000 miles. This is really common. The foam disintegrates, and it's not just sitting on the bolsters that we've always thought over the years. Obviously that doesn't help, but the foam just fatigues. It just gets old and crusty and falls apart. You feel the wire through that. These are the MITA foams, direct replacement. A little bit stiffer. The foam is a bit denser. Definitely feels more sporty. Obviously, it's stiffer, being newer, but I think the foam is probably 30% denser than the foam on the factory. But this is something we're going to carry in stock. We're not going to sell these, same as the wheels. We're not going to mail order them or anything like that. We're going to handle this in-house. If you bring your car in, we can sell you the wheel, the tire install it on your car, do the suspension, do the bushings, pretty much anything. We want to be your S2000 one-stop. That way we can do a major transformation on the car and make it just as exciting as it can be. This is something, I still love my job. I've said this so many times in the past. This is just absolutely fantastic. The MITA V3 wheels right here, this is like the 2008 up wheel, and then the MS10s in Kaiser or bronze. I have the bronze on my car. This car has the Kaiser, and the V3 wheels we have in stock are Kaiser Silver, also fantastic. So there you go. That's the price of an OEM foam, which I believe is discontinued. We're not doing a mail order service on these foams because obviously the shipping is high, the tariffs and all that good stuff. So we're stocking a few of these so when you bring the car in, we can rebuild your seat. Not only does it make the seat feel better, the sides are firmer, the bolsters sit where they should be, it actually tightens up the leather, makes the leather look better. So there you go. LHD Performance. Hit the subscribe, hit the share, hit the like. We'll see you on the next video.